All right, so what we're going to do today is look at what mutations are. So mutations are anytime I get a change in my DNA. So here's what I want you to remember. We always read 3 bases at a time. That was a codon. So this is called the reading frame. All right. So if I do it like that, that produces my normal protein. A point mutation is a change in one base. So it changes one thing. So notice right here, I started off with CAT just like before, but my second codon, I substituted in a G. Okay. So when you substituted in that G, it completely changed what the protein was going to be. And so that's going to, because all it takes is one little change and it's a new protein. Now, a frame shift is when something has either been added or deleted. And so you start right here, just like you normally do, but here's my base that's missing. So what ends up happening is I have to shift my reading frame. And in doing so, I get basically a non-functional protein. Okay. So I want to show you how all this works. Okay. I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at our codon sheet because you're going to have that. And so let's say that this was our normal one. This is what our normal one should have been. Okay. Well, let's say I do this. So this is my mutated. All right. When it translated into, let's see. All right. So we got AGU, GCG, AAA, and then we've got UAG. All right, let's do UAU. Let's do UAU. All right, so now let's look at what's happened, okay? So let's look at our new protein. So these stay the same. So serine is going to be the same, alanine is going to be the same, lysine is going to be the same. But look at what happens when I start UAU. I am TYR now. I'm not trip, I'm tire. So I have a whole new protein made. All right. So that's a point mutation because I changed one thing. So I want to go back and I want to show you. Let's erase all this. All right. Let me show you what a frame shift would look like. So let's say that I'm using the same thing and it's A, G, and I take out my U. So that's going to be, this G is going to have to slide over. Then I'm going to get C, G, A, because the A is going to have to slide over. I'm going to get A, U, and then I'm going to be left with GG. All right, so let's look at our new protein. So this is what it should be. All right, so our new protein is AGG, which is ARG, CGA, which is ARG, AAU, which is ASN, and then I don't have a third one. You see how that's a completely different protein by adding that in? So this is a frame shift. Okay? All right.